At first glance, the card appeals to those with less than perfect credit due to its relatively low barrier to approval. Many applicants with fair or limited credit history have reported success in getting approved, which makes it a decent option for people who need to start fresh. The card is issued by Celtic Bank and is available through the Imagine Card platform, known for its focus on second chance credit options. In 2025, the card continues to offer monthly reporting to all three credit bureaus, which is a big plus if your goal is to improve your credit score over time. However, the fees associated with the Imagine Visa credit card remain a major concern. Users report an annual fee ranging from moderate to high, and in some cases, there are monthly maintenance fees or setup charges. Unlike premium cards, it doesn't offer rewards, cashback, or travel perks, which means you're paying fees without gaining much value beyond credit building. Furthermore, the APRA annual percentage rate is still on the higher end in 2025, making it risky for those who carry a balance month to month. So, is it worth it or should you leave it? If your primary goal is to rebuild your credit and you don't qualify for better no-fee options, the Imagine Visa credit card may be a reasonable stepping stone. But if you can qualify for secured cards with refundable deposits or low-fee alternatives, those may provide more value without the long-term cost. In short, good for rebuilding, not ideal for rewards or long-term use.